Alrighty, here we go with the I Hate Phillips Head deck screws segment. Then have to be fairly accurate with these. Yeah. Okay, I'll be back. Here we go. Torx heads. Let me see if I can get that on screen. I got a different camera here. Yeah. This is way better than the Cross Point Phillips heads. Although they're way longer than I need, these I can run in. There. Off. These are definitely worth investing in. We'll put one here. And one here on the corner. I'll cut that one off. Love my impact driver too. Done. And, oops, that was a little short. I'll do one more down here. Alright, that's it. I'll do the other side. Back in a bit. Well, there we are. Let's see, am I zoomed? No. So that worked out pretty good. After I flip it over on its back, then I can stand it up and the legs start coming out easier. But basically what I had before, but stronger, a little shorter on the screen, but it doesn't need to be all the way to the ground. Hopefully this clearance at the bottom will keep me from getting stuck in the pile so it won't fall apart. Of course, everything's screwed together now. I think it's a lot stronger, especially with these gussets. It's going to hold those joints. And the reason I put the top gussets on the back, because I want to be able to get dirt in there. And I could probably angle it back a little bit more. My next little trick is going to be, well, I gotta trim that off. But the next thing is going to be figure out some way to easily lift this with the sling using the bucket hook on the tractor. The bucket hook is right there on the front of the bucket. That little thingy right there. There I am. The bucket hook. Use that to lift and move this into different places around, because I got a lot of dirt to screen here. But for now I'm pretty happy with it. I think I might make the attempt to no, I'm going to play with it probably Monday. I got to figure out a way to lift this thing up easier. Oh well, we'll see what happens. I still got a little time. Maybe I'll just go ahead and play. Back in a bit. It's perfectly balanced. I put the strap on there, the sling, just in case it wants to slip and slide around. But yeah, I got the bucket right up underneath. As you can see, got the bucket right up under there, and it holds right still. I'm going to position it this way, right over here, and throw a couple of buckets of dirt down. Let's see if I can get you out of the wind. There we go. That'll work. Here I go with you. I kind of forgot. If I had put it over there like I wanted to, well, the front would have been facing that way. It just wasn't going to work. So we're going to put it right where it was. I'm going to get this thing set up, and we'll see what we can come up with for a couple bucket loads of dirt. Back in a bit. Yeah. We're going to give this a shot. I just got to remember I got a bit of a tail on the back of the tractor here. But I'm going to kick these legs back and see what we can do. Alright, let's give this a shot. Apparently the car's full. Okay, well it's still blinking, but the red light is still on. Okay, well as you can see, it works. I might want to lay that back a little bit further, but it's working. We're it. That's Rock Screen 2.0. I'm going to consider this a success. As you can see, I've done a couple of loads and it's not getting buried at the bottom, so I'll be able to lift this right out. So yeah, again, 2- or less. Maybe that's 1- because of the way the angle is, but we got nice fine dirt on the back side. The rocks are going to be on this side, and as you can see, I had to pick a few up so I could get in close enough. But yeah, success, I think. The proof will be after I probably finish up that whole pile. But I'm going to do a few more. I'm going to shut off the camera though. I'm going to do a couple more, and it's time to get myself situated and get out of here, because today is game day. And it's about 9:30, going on 10, and I want to get up to my dad's place, pick up my brother, go get some pizza, and have us a good time watching some Buckeye football. Later on, fans. Life is still awesome. Later.